I'm Moses Small in Fashion Valley next to the San Diego River. Hundreds of people living along the riverbed are at serious risk from the coming storm, but it's a race against time to make sure that everybody knows it. Picket signs and volunteers.
So there's a really good chance that all your stuff could be submerged.
Maybe the difference in staying above or below the water for the roughly 300 people living along the San Diego riverbed. Rachel Downing works for the San Diego River Park Foundation.
Putting up signage, handing out ponchos, care kits, clean socks, and as a way to let everybody know the river is definitely going to flood this weekend.
Right now, the water's at about 3 feet deep, and according to this new graph from the National Weather Service, it's expected to reach up to 10 feet. So if I come back to this spot tomorrow afternoon, I might be underwater. Last week's storm doesn't help.
Due to the rain that we saw last week, the ground is already really wet. We already have more water in the river than we had when the storm took place a week and a half ago. So that means the river is going to rise a lot faster.
For many people, the physical risk of the water is just the beginning.
Everything they have with them is all of their worldly possessions. So once you lose them, getting them back is incredibly hard, and then it's so much harder to try to get into services, trying to receive housing, trying to get vouchers, things like that, to get themselves out of the situations that they're currently in. The
San Diego River Park Foundation is always looking for donations and volunteers to help people living along the river. We have more information in this story on our website, 10news.com. In Fashion Valley, Moses Small, ABC 10 News.